You were probably told to stop by a convenience store in Japan as a way to cut food costs during your travel. Honestly, that advice isn't wrong. What if I told you there are really cheaper places to go if you're really on a tight budget? I'm gonna show you a place in Osaka which we discovered during our many walks around the city. This place is called Kurmon Market, which is also known as Osaka's Kitchen. Once you enter here, you'll see many various food stalls selling fresh produce, veggies, and meats of all kinds. Oh, and they're gonna even offer you seat if you order from them. Okay, this big grocery store is our favorite. Here you can buy most things that Family Mart, 7-Eleven, or Lawson has. Their konbini bentos are worth checking out. Look at that, they almost have 20 times more inventory compared to those famous convenience stores. Oh, you're asking about their sandwiches? Sushi, bentos, mochi, they all have it. Here you can find fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, fresh fish, and our favorite, Wagyu, which are very cheap. So if you're in Osaka, I highly recommend it to check this place out. There are also other markets to try. So if you're in Kyoto, you can try Nishiki Market. Or if you're in Tokyo, you can try the Tsukiji Market. Those are all my favorite places to go. So guys, if you like what I showed you, please like this video and subscribe for more travel tips. I'll see you next time. Ciao.